Hi, I'm Nikki Renoir, Product Specialist for Inception. We're taking a look at how to create custom columns. In this video, we'll create 3 different types: a choice list, a Boolean, and a single line string custom column, all for a running order. Remember, you can create these custom columns for all entity types. Custom columns are managed from configuration. Click here, the gear, and then look for the metadata tab. This area got a refresh in version 14. You can create custom columns called attributes for almost any part of Inception, from the running order manager to the running orders to the assignment manager or even the contact manager. And those custom attributes can function in different ways, from a single line string to a checkmark called a Boolean type or even a drop-down list menu. You'll want to decide what kind of column you want to create first. Let's start with the choice list. We'll click on the Choice Lists tab and click Create in the bottom right-hand corner of this window. Give your choice list a name. This will help you identify this list of options and help with organization. I'll call mine Segments. Leave type at single line string, and description is optional. Now click Save. Select your choice list and click Manage Choices here in the bottom left corner. From here, you'll create the options for your drop-down menu. Click Add Choice. Give your choice a name. Click Tab on your keyboard and Inception will fill out value for you. There are 2 options for background and foreground color. When using this choice list for a running order custom column, users can choose to change the entire story row color based on the color options defined here. Continue adding choices by clicking Add Choice. Click Done when you're finished. Now, let's create the custom column that we want this to be tied to. Click on the Entities tab and select the entity you want to create the custom column for. In this case, we're creating one for the running order element. Now click Manage Attributes. Click Create and give the custom column a name. Click Tab and Inception will fill out the key name field. In the Type field, define what kind of column needs to be created. In this case, a choice. Click Next. In the First field, define which choice list Inception should use. Users can define the order of the options in the list, allow users to free add options that may not exist in the choice list, or define a default value for the list. Using empty cell color, admins can define what color the cell is when empty. And if admins have picked out colors for choice list options, you should check off Use Choice List Colors. If no colors are defined for the choice list, admins have the option of applying a populated cell color as well. Click Create. Let's take a look at what this looks like in a running order. With a rundown open, I can now add my newly created custom column to my view. Now, when I select an option from this list, Inception changes the entire row color based on the choice selected. Now let's create our second custom column type, Boolean. Boolean is true or false, or a checkmark column. We're back in configuration in the metadata area. We'll manage the attributes for the running order element and click Create. I'll call this column Video Approval. Click Tab to fill out key name and under Type, select Boolean. Click Next. Options here include a default value, whether this column is selected or deselected when it's visible. And admins can choose an empty cell color. I'll select red here. And a checked cell color. I'll select green. Click Create. Back in the running order, with this column visible, we see it as red when it's not checked off, and green when it is. On to our third custom column type, single line string. We're back in configuration, managing the attributes for the running order element. My column name is Director's Notes, and type will stay at single line string. Options for this attribute type include setting a minimum and maximum number of characters, a default value, empty and populated cell colors. With all attribute options, you can choose to leave some or all of these fields blank. I'll opt to leave these blank and click Create. In the running order, here's my Director's Notes column that users can type into. That was a quick look at how to create a few different custom attributes in Inception. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit our user forums or take a look at our help guide. Thanks for watching.